everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please feel free to subscribe and click on the notification bell below. By the way, this is Shyla Seashells once again, and this welcome to another free diving travel vlog. We're here at Isla Verde or Verde Island, and we're here to explore the beauty of the underwater world. And I'm so excited to share it with you guys, and please stay tuned. Ja, matane! Our journey started early in the morning from Manila going to Ilijan Port and Batangas so we can go to Isla Verde. Isla Verde is an island in Batangas situated between Luzon and Mindoro. You can either rent a boat or ride a public boat. Travel time is around an hour from the port of Ilijan.
Welcome to my guys!
Isla Verde has been a favorite destination for tourists and divers. This secluded paradise features crystal blue waters, some coconut trees, and a powdery white sand. Haven't tried to free dive yet because the current is kind of strong, so we will try to strong here. We will try planter edition. I am with the Cubadera sisters, the Panty sisters. Tadaan! Ja! And the next day, we hope to fly it. Sino ba naman ang hindi mapapaindak? Because finally, we will visit the Verde Island Passage, the famous bypass in the Philippines. Pulong Bato, 20 minutes away from Isla Verde. So we will explore the underwater world of Isla Verde. Ciao, matane! The island is known for its world-class dive site destination, which is the Verde Island Passage, and is considered the heart of the world's marine biodiversity.
and locals called it the Pulong Bato. This area is the richest in the coral triangle, as the 76% world coral reef species can be found here, and 37% world reef fish species.
Another diving spot here in Isla Verde. They called it Layagan Layagan dive site. Water is clear. And I think this is the end of my video. I hope you enjoyed watching my video, and if you like it, please feel free to click on subscribe, share, and give it thumbs up. And what else? I hope that you will take good care of our natural resources, especially the corals, because coral reef system are considered the forest of the underwater world. This planet deserves better. We deserve better. The future generation deserves better. Until I end, trouble-free diving vlog.